Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for team meeting minutes, your complete 2025 guide. First up, you're going to want to create a new project specifically for your meeting minutes. This will help you keep things organized and separate from your other tasks. Head to the sidebar, click on Add Project, and give it a relevant name like Team Meeting Minutes. This step is crucial because it establishes a dedicated space for your meeting minutes, preventing them from getting lost among unrelated tasks. Now that we've done that, let's create a new task for every point or topic discussed during the meeting. Click on Add Task within your new project and write down the first point from your meeting. The reason we do this is to ensure that all important discussion points are recorded and easily accessible for future reference. Next up, assign each task to the person responsible for it. This is done by clicking on the Assign To button and selecting the appropriate team member. This step helps us because it clarifies who is responsible for each task, eliminating any confusion and promoting accountability within the team. Now let's set a due date for each task. Just click on the Schedule button and pick a date. Remember, setting realistic deadlines is key to ensuring tasks are completed on time. This contributes to maintaining team productivity and progress. Moving on, you should utilize the Comments section. Here's why this matters. Comments allow you to add additional information to each task, such as the decisions made during the meeting or the agreed-upon next steps. Simply click on the task and type your comment into the Add a Comment box. This feature helps us keep all pertinent information associated with the task in one place, facilitating easy reference for all team members. Lastly, don't forget to make use of labels and filters. You can label tasks based on their priority or the department they belong to, and later filter them accordingly. This keeps your project organized and allows you to focus on specific tasks when necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Todoist for team meeting minutes. A quick recap. We created a new project, added tasks for each meeting point, assigned tasks to team members, set due dates, made use of the comments section, and organized tasks with labels and filters. This process is a game changer for taking effective and organized meeting minutes. With the help of Todoist, you can ensure your team stays on the same page and progresses smoothly towards meeting its goals. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.